In this video, I'll show you 3 easiest ways to remove watermarks from videos. No advanced editing skills required. Let's dive right in. Method 1. Using CapCut. It's completely free. First, import your video and add it to the timeline. Then, go to the Effects panel and search for Blur Effects. Drag the blur effect onto the timeline and match its duration to your video. Click on Mask, then choose a shape and adjust it to cover the watermark. Under Basic, increase the blur strength until the watermark becomes invisible. You can get the final video like this. Method 2. Using HitPaw Video Enhancer. Open HitPaw and choose Watermark Removal under the AI toolbox. Import your video. Select the watermark. You can preview the result. The watermark has been removed perfectly. Export the video. Method 3. Using HitPaw Online Watermark Remover. Go to HitPaw online website. Upload your video. Then mark the watermark area. Set Smooth Filling as the Remove model. Then export the video, and that's how you can remove watermarks from your videos quickly and easily. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more simple editing tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.